Rajeev, I am very excited to do this session with you. I want to talk about NowOnNow. And with that, let me start with question one. I feel you and your team were on the forefront of implementing this GenAI for ServiceNow over a year ago. What are some of the key takeaways on these learnings?
No, Chad, really excited to be here and sharing our experiences on our GenAI journey at ServiceNow. As we all know, GenAI is all about unstructured data, generating text, generating code, generating videos out there. And our belief is when we take the unstructured data, combined with the structured data, which is in our platform, and with our automation engine and the workflow, it's going to supercharge those workflows out there. We see the work will happen faster and with higher quality. Work will be automated, in some cases even eliminated.
Nice.
And the experiences and the adoption will be dramatically improved out there. This is what we are already seeing at ServiceNow.
Absolutely. I've seen it tenfold over the past years, and it's continued to increase. Let's talk about that. How have you seen the productivity of the ServiceNow's teams improve?
Yeah, so we started this journey about a year back, a lot of experimentation, but in last 180 days, we have deployed 20 plus use cases on our platform, and every week those are getting better and better, and we are adding more capabilities to it. From summarization of cases to generation of answers from knowledge articles or solutions out there. So that is helping us to improve the productivity. We have seen that our case avoidance through search has increased. No longer you are clicking on a link and reading knowledge articles out there. You are getting a result, summarized result from a knowledge article. Interestingly, now our users have started expecting that kind of an output. We are seeing that less number of incidents are created by our employees and cases by our customers when we compare to back to our quarter one of 2023 versus in the last quarter of 2024 in the Q1. And when we analyze this, we are seeing that we are about 50 full-time employee worth of work we are about to eliminate out there. We have embedded GenAI on how our developers are building code out there. So from story creation, which is now you can do it very quickly, from creating acceptance criteria, code generation, code commenting out there, creating test cases and functional test cases. Early indications are that the quality is improving for the code which our developers are writing, and they're able to do it faster. And that means our developers are getting more productive.
Production with agents, productions with developers. That's amazing. So let's take some of that. And what is something that you'd like ServiceNow's customers to take away around those GenAI experiences?
So it's amazing, Chad, out there. Like the out-of-the-box implementation is very straightforward. You can get up and running in weeks out there. You can start realizing value in the first 30 days itself. So I suggest start with summarization, very simple. You don't need content. You can just take your incident, start summarizing your work notes and generating solutions from that and resolutions out there, which can result in generating knowledge article, which can be fed back as a search result, which is such employees are looking forward to it. So that's a very, very quick way to get up and running. Our catalogs have become conversational. So that means on virtual agent, you don't need to now create those conversations. You have created catalog one time and you can use it on virtual agent. And now it's becoming a true chat experience between the user and the virtual agent with that. You don't have to worry about large language models anymore. It's extended part of our instance, so the data is not leaving your instance, but you should still do your due diligence about security, privacy, compliance, because that's pretty quick out there. And then it's about building the trust with the user, getting the feedback from that, and then continuously improving that. So that's some of the takeaways.
Absolutely, yeah. I think you hit the whole realm. Start off with a great foundation, continue to build that up with the summarization and pipe it through, as well as adding that human touch and being on top of it. So we talked about K24, Knowledge 24. It's a big one. What are you excited to see there?
Oh, Chad, this is my 8th knowledge, including one of being virtually. And I think so this is going to be the best knowledge ever. For me, it is like going to college. This is where you go to learn, share your experiences, network with others, and also have fun. The best place to have fun. And knowledge is like we have a packed semester of a college in 3 days. That's what it feels like. I'm looking forward to meeting customers and learn from their challenges and how they are leveraging the platform. Looking forward to meeting partners and see how they are helping our customers. And we're going to have a Now team there, which is about implementing our own product internally in ServiceNow and being the customer zero. We are coming out there to share our experiences and our learnings with our customers. And then this time we are going to have a mini theater where we have more than 35 sessions, bite size, less than 15 minutes. You can quickly learn about how to get started with virtual agent, how do you get started with search, how do you get started with analysis, and there's a lot of things make it available to you, including demos and hands-on demos. So that's what I'm excited. And yes, I'm also looking forward from keynote from CJ and Bill and John Ziegler and Pat Casey. Yes, and Pitbull is going to close it with a big bang, so that's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm really excited, Jack.
It's a full show. There's not enough to pack in a minute. I appreciate this. Any questions on the Now, the how-tos, where they're going to be at knowledge, please reach out to us. You can see the URL here. And with that, Rajeev, I want to thank you for spending your time with me today.
Yeah, Chad, anytime.